Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today we are going to make a potato recipe. This is a recipe for vegetarian. I came to realize that I have not done a video of a vegetarian meal, and so today we are going to use potatoes, uh, French beans, carrots, and some courgette, and then garlic. These are the three ingredients that I'll be using today, and I hope you enjoy. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and God will bless you. So let's start preparing this meal. On the pan, I've added a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then I will put my potatoes. I will let these potatoes cook. Then I'll add more ingredients. We'll add some salt. Mix well. Make sure you turn them so that they don't stick together on the pan. So once the potatoes are almost ready, what you do is that you add the French beans. You add the French beans. A little water. Mix well. Add some black pepper. Black pepper. Some turmeric. And the garlic paste. Then you mix together. You let this dish cook for like 5 minutes, then you turn again, and our potato dish is ready. If you want to know the potatoes are ready, what you need to do is just to take a knife and pierce one of them. You see, it's ready. It's ready. So that's our potato dish. Simple potato dish that you can cook in 5 minutes. Very tasty, and the ingredients are cheap. So you don't need to worry what you'll have for your dinner, because potatoes are really readily available everywhere, I guess. So you can serve this potato dish with rice, chapati. Yeah, you can have it as a meal. You can also take this as a breakfast if you don't want to take bread and all the snacks. And yeah, you can just take this with tea and you are good to go. So guys, thank you so much for joining me in this video until the end. I want to appreciate each and every person who has been part and parcel of this journey that we started about 7 months ago. It's not been easy, but your support, your comments, your likes keep me going, and I am so glad to have you as my support system. Major shout out to my YT group, my WhatsApp YT group. Thank you so much for your support. You've always encouraged me to keep moving, to keep posting, and I thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much also to my family, my friends, and see you in the next video. All right?